In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate network changes in Phantom Wallet. This concise guide is perfect for anyone new to the world of cryptocurrencies or simply looking to streamline their experience with Phantom Wallet. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Phantom Wallet. If you haven't already, make sure you are logged into your account. This is important because without logging in, you won't have access to the features and balances that are crucial for any kind of transaction. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your main dashboard where you can view your balance, see the tokens you own, and access various features such as receiving, sending, swapping, and buying cryptocurrencies. Now, here's an interesting point about Phantom Wallet. Unlike some other wallets like MetaMask, you don't actually need to change your network. Phantom Wallet is designed to streamline the process by housing all networks within your wallet directly. This user-friendly design means you won't have to navigate through different networks manually, saving you time and potential headache. If you're looking to receive crypto from a different network, simply click on the Receive button. Once you do that, you'll be presented with different wallet options. Now, this is crucial. You just select the required wallet and the QR code along with your wallet address will be displayed. This makes receiving crypto easy. Scan the QR code or copy the wallet address and you're good to go. Furthermore, it ensures that the network choice is integrated seamlessly into the transaction process. On the flip side, if you're looking to send cryptocurrency, it's just as easy. All you need to do is click on the Send button. Here, you'll see various coins listed and you still don't need to change the network manually. This functionality provides an intuitive experience for the user, ensuring that you can focus more on your transactions and less on technical settings. To recap, while switching networks can often be a cumbersome task in other wallets, Phantom Wallet simplifies this process by integrating network management into the core design. This affords you the freedom to focus on what really matters, managing and transacting your digital assets efficiently and confidently. And there you have it, a reliable, seamless experience on Phantom Wallet. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or check out our other guides. Until next time, happy transacting.